Hey friends and family of Ronny's Farm to Table. It's snowing again. You remember yesterday I got everything cleaned up here perfectly. And now we got a nice thick layer everywhere again. So let's put Kaiser inside. He has been outside for about an hour and I don't like him to be all snowed in. So let's see what else we can do today. I think I might be able to harvest some beautiful pink oysters. And then start my freeze drying process. I have several trays ready, right Kaiser? Well, let's get to work. Alrighty. Here we are in the grow room, the Berliner room, looking into the crooks room. I came in this morning in here and I'm feeling that there's no heat. So I think this guy might have given up. We'll see if the warranty still applies. It has been only 2 months. Yeah, there's sort of cold air blowing. And I've been running it for a while now, like 15-20 minutes, to see if it's gonna come up, but it's not. So good that I have a couple replacement ones inside the house that I could be using right now. And also I turned on the freeze dryers right behind me here in the crooks room. They need about 30 minutes to pre-freeze. So basically the chamber in there is going to get really nice and cold. And then you add your frozen mushrooms or frozen foods inside the dry freezer. And that takes sometimes up to 20 hours to freeze dry those. But I will not be able to get out of the farm today. So I think if I harvest some today, put them in there, that would be a good thing to do. So let's get some more heat back in the room here and let's see what else we can do. So here are the frozen white oysters that I have, and when you pre-freeze them the process actually is faster. If you would have these fresh non-frozen, then this process would probably take 30 to 40 hours, but this way it really makes it nice and quick. Well, nice and quick, 20 hours. And here's the lion's mane from the previous harvest. It's all frozen, it should be good. So let's get those in as well. So you guys ready for what's up, mush? Let's go check in the grow tent. We have to probably rearrange a couple things, so I will show you quick what's going on there. Then I will put you behind me, and then we're gonna rearrange a couple things. But before we can do any of these things that I want to do in there, we have to get in our sterile lab outfit. Hold on a second. Time to check out Mushroom Paradise. Look at the pink oysters up there. Aren't they just great? They really like this environment. Golden oysters are coming too. I hope by tomorrow I can harvest a couple pounds and sell them. Down here is the chestnuts. They're pretty good too. Those are the older chestnuts. So not much growth happening here on these bags. So that's the update from the grow tent. Hey friends, so that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Kaiser's already inside, everybody's fine. They're all keeping nice and warm, and I actually have to go back and snow blow because about boot high we have some new snow around the yard, so I have to get rid of it for the rest of the evening. Again, thank you so much for watching. It's always great to have you with me on this journey, and I will see you guys tomorrow.